basomu ya mwanchi umurigere rwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mogusingwe gena ritwari abandi genderete ko bari toero kegima na nene no genderete ko egokya ko bwati mirobiri yonsi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekerobo no rireri tkoria ijuma tariki inye cyumutinyi 10 umwaka no igwekiri Ibere na meronko Ebere nebere achinga kyekiga umurayi wense Dr. William Samoei RUTO ninga genderete ne oroboti gose ko bwatko roboti ruaye ase ekegambiro kia Supreme chinga kibono gose chinga ki ekegambiro gegosoma oroboti OBOKORERI bwumwa kumugima ne chinga kibayigo abara ikorwa ase county ya Kisii bagenderete gose barakumira na ase county ya Nairobi anene gukwanira igoro yo gochorwa kwaba waziri gose kwaba permanent secretaries ase osase serikali ya umurayi wense Dr. William Samoei RUTO anene kero ya rokana buna egesaku kyo mugusini go gyatwa magega ase ugotaye waribaga umwanchi muri ribona ngo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere eri onkomanye muna nara yaya na kwarigania iria senchera ere yo bwenge nyora na bakogendera gotanyora sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tobwati wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo twitera asumutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yetu ngora tanyara wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eri otogendere go kumanya mankeri tariane Everline Osero uritokubatirana nere kwene kya wekera sensemo imanyeredio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabane ndo ikomoerio Mancho Maria Ribanongo Kwargan Tuchaka Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere ase enchera ere yobwenge magaga yomurai wense Dr. William Samoei RUTO gochora bariki babotambe ase serikali yaye na gose na egesaku kyo Gusii gotanyora ribaga bono nigo abarai au bagenderete weso kena gukwanera engani yiga esemo yabamanyi bakora wanu mu wakili Danstan Umari korwase county ya Nyamira nigo bakwaneire enganeye ase bagosiria serikali ase ogota umugusiri baga nabono nigo baganire umurayi wense Dr. William Samoei RUTO kwene kyabuna ebisaku byonsi byabere bikonyorwa asama baga au ase oburayi bwaye hirwe ikirani OBOKORERI borobuya asaba na inchi bonsi
ande muna morigere titora igotore birero mwano itomo Gusii tayo chore tue PS koru 1963 Gusii tanya gocho komis gocho rue PS obugambi bwa Kenyatta 1 obugambi bwa Moi obugambi bwa Kibaki obugambi bwa Uhuru PS chiro inkige kogera aso obugambi bwa RUTO Gusii atayo ase kirogekyo ebirogo binde twabwate byakire na asengencho matianyare korwa government onye tori part of the government na baganda tori na Tanzania tori inkige kogera Nyamira etairi kendi yons inkige kogera Busongo etairi kendi yons agatora kamotwa tukobo minister na kwago totebina that is enough for Gusii so ntora isaneka na ndibuna abagusii we are demanding our equal share for government
Unenchira yemo yogo kinyo OBOKORERI ase CHINYAGITARI nabo igokorwa obogweni obwororo gochiase abananchi nigo CHINYAGITARI chitari ya serikali anene korwa ase county ya Kisii chigenderete kobeka omokia kwene kyo OBOKORERI obuyabu aberi bokorwa gochiase abananchi CHINYAGITARI ya hema iyo gotoka imeyo muchobo songo neyemo eyo yachakirie enyomba ya ICU goseri abarwaire bari almaututi bakobekwa enyombera bege koimokia abarwaire bane wase umutererero munene bw'Nyagitari eyo haruna buga ainekire namba chiye korwa OBOKORERI obwororo gochiase abananchi bonsi
ikaa chini na management tukasema tunataka kuleta ICU yenye ni hali ya juu. Ukienda Nairobi Hospital the same standard ndio tumeweka pande hii kwa sababu ICU inaweza kuwa imewekwa lakini kuna viwango. Kwa hivyo sisi yetu ni tofauti kwa sababu mashini zetu ziko za hali ya juu, madaktari wetu ni wale wamehitimu vizuri sana na wako na ujuzi wa miaka mingi, na gharama yetu pia sio kubwa sana. Hiyo ndio tofauti nyingine kwa sababu sisi tunajali watu wa mapato ya chini, mkulima mdogo mwenye ako huku chini Kisii, wale wanauza vyakula huku kwa masoko na watu wa bodaboda. Kwa hivyo watu wasiwe na hofu kwa sababu tumejipanga na tunataka kujali maslahi ya Mkenya mwenye ako katika eneo hili letu la Kisii.
Na kubwatikana no kungusana no kogenderete koine kiwa ase ekemerie cha ase chinsemo au kubwatikana n'aba director abakoro nabo igo aba director abaya nigo bono ensemo y'abaremi becha ekoro ase factory ya Nyamwamu babeire bagukwanira igoro yoboteneria ase chi factory ase mono barokanire bakomochia aba director abakoro nagotebana nigo babwatiranire mono namagana yobokurumi ase babaganirie korwa chinga kinyororo gocha ase aba director abaya ya elio korwa obokoreri borobya
Mutungwali ya KK 048 Kiogoro ikinege ntege kongusana abantu baguja nande bayirane back esibarwete nande batuyene back asutotageti igo engombe kia erira amaino te koegunsiaga erome igo chingombe chirichiare ngoro chiare ngase kiamukama chiaerire tututageti tututageta abantu abaya bari visionary kento kende nigo batunyanyasa kapisa paka noenkende nkiare kororekana bono ekero twanyora new directors aba chetime. There is a very big improvement ase abalimi egento kende aba batagete gocha sema inki batageto ekora ekorekananga egasi eri babwate embe eri bare komnyoka gojimate Mombasa baminyoka batu ngaina ngai kibesanga gento kete okerega
egati y'abanasiasa korwase orogongo rwa Nyanza nigo barire irayo gukora emeremo no murayibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asekeria mono bagokeire gitambukiro kya Ruto kyogochora abarai au anena bawaziri abo barachiko bwaterana nere eri okorwa obokoreri asaba na inchi.
Grateful to His Excellency the President Dr. William Samoei Ruto. One, his passion to make this country work. His passion to make a difference to the lives of people, more particularly people of lower economic groups.
And I would love to appeal to the people of Nyanza that President of the Republic of Kenya now is President Ruto. And it is important for us to support him fully. In fact, we are not here just for the sake of coming. We came here because our people wanted us to come. Because they are ready to work with President Samoei Ruto.
The expectations are huge because you do know that there are millions and millions of our young people who are out there who are looking into the programs that are being implemented by government to be able to help them to lead a meaningful life.
Umugavana we county ya Kericho Eric Mutai nigo achakire bene obwagachi bwenyomba yo korwari oburere bwa kansa ase Nyagitari yenene ya Kericho County Referral asikeri atebire buna enyagitari eyo necho gokorwa ase obwagachi emetienye taterebosyo na guchaka obokoreri ase abamenyi be county ya Kericho.
Sat down as a team and we decided that it is about time that we do something. And as I promised the people of Kericho that we are going to have a cancer center in Kericho, today I'm very happy to announce that we have done the groundbreaking for a cancer unit. In 3 months' time, cancer patients shall be handled by a team of well-trained oncology nurses within our facility.
Umugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea nigachorire kamati eyo erachie korigereria mateni y'abanyakonda na mono korigereria umubaro bw'abakora emeremo ase county ya Trans Nzoia nase bagokora emeremo korengana na Natembea nigatere bune county eyo nigegosabwa kibesa kinyinge kegima ekyo aligerereti gose ekyo aganitie korora gosengo kibalego kiakana na ninki cyabere kigokora ase county eyo.
Kweli kabisa huyu mtu alitakana kufanya hiki. Umetengeneza vocha ya kulipa KEMSA kwa mfano. Umeitisha pesa kutoka kwa control of budget, amepeana idhini kwamba hizo pesa zilipwe KEMSA. Pesa zikuja kwa account, badala kulipa KEMSA unalipa mtu mwingine. Umetumia madaraka vibaya, umetumia mamlaka vibaya. Kwa hivyo hii kamati pia iko na jukumu la kutueleza ni nani alifanya makosa haya na aliyafanya vipi, na katika siku za usoni tutaweza namna gani kuzuia makosa kama hayo kufanyika. Na njia moja ya kuzuia makosa hayo kufanyika ni wale ambao walifanya ile makosa kuchukuliwa hatua za kisheria.
Kubwatikana n'umuchando b'umurakero yogendrete koenekiwa ase chinsemo au imiyense ya Kenya nigo ase obomenyo bw'echingiti cyoro sana TSAVO etugo nabo igo chingiti cyoro sana cyabeire chigo sirio bogima kubwatikana no kuborwe ndagera nabo igo amache korengana no mogose korengana na John Waweru oyoro mu director monene bw'ekiombegete chingiti cyoro sana KWS nigatero na wekabono basiririe chincho guwetani EMEREMO echio gosebo igo chingiti cyoro sana chinde nigo chigendrete gosirio bogima.
As we know, it has been experiencing a very severe drought, and this drought has extended to Kenya Wildlife Service areas where wildlife has actually suffered quite a lot. In this region alone, we have lost over 120 wildlife of different types, and out of that, over 100 were elephants that have died in the TSAVO ecosystem. So that is a very big number to die because of drought.
Ekeroto tigarita sengane yo muchando bumurakera nigo egati yabarai kurwase county ya Taita Taveta abaganirie ekiumbe kya KWS kubanchera abatugibe tugo korose koragerie tugo yabo ase ensemo ya TSAVO nengana bo igo mu director yo KWS abeire kagokana na otana nigo erache koreta umuchando omunene anene chinga kiechiga chingiti cyoro sana na chirochyo chigendrete kuriendagira.
Biko tukiomba sana angalau ng'ombe ziruhusiwe kuchungwa kwa muda, maana hali imekuwa mbaya, zinakufa.
Kitu cha kwanza tutashikana tujaribu kuinterrogate hicho kifungo cha hiyo sheria ili basi tuone ya kwamba wafugaji wetu ambao sasa hivi wamepoteza mali nyingi kutokana na janga la ukame basi wakaweze kuingiza mfugo hapo na wafuge.
Sheria iko wazi kabisa kwamba KWS inafaa itupatie utaratibu wa kuchunga wakati wa kiangazi. So si kwamba tunafaa tuchunge ama hatufai kuchunga, tunafaa kuchunga, lakini wao wenyewe watuambie utaratibu. Watu wa Mwatate wanafaa kuchunga hapa wakati huu wa kiangazi na muda fulani huu, lakini si eti kwamba haturuhusiwi kuchunga.
Actually, for animals to go into the park, that is not something that we are allowed by law to do. However, we do have situations where we can be able to discuss with people within the communities how we can be able to get probably a way to assist their livestock, like we did I think 3 days ago in Amboseli, where we actually took animal feed to the community so that the community then can be able to benefit from that.
Na ekero ya rokanev na oroche rua yala ni gorogendrete koleta makongie chingencho au anene ase ogosirio magima kwa banto ni gobono ebi ababwatani kurwa sebyombe au na boigo chikamban babeire bagochamo na koikero koiwana wokwakana chibesa echo chirachigokonya ase oborendi ibwe orochoruo.
What efforts are we putting in place to make sure that we have the water to supply to our people up to their bedrooms and their kitchens? And the only way, because the grade methods are actually expensive, setting up a treatment is not easy. If you were to start and you have to have money to put into it, and it is going to cost a lot. But we can achieve even much more than that if we go the nature way.
We've had these challenges with sedimentation also. You know, it's an additional cost for us because we have to incur, if this silt gets to our sedimentation basins, it's an additional cost. So, I mean, we stand to benefit more, not just because of the monies that will come in terms of the fund, but also these other benefits that will be prevented by the initiatives put in by the group.
So I strongly feel that this project is good, and the counties involved should actually embrace it, particularly our county, because we depend on water from elsewhere.
Omwanchi omurigereria inega tiari na kwariganiretie SMS Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchera ere yo winge korendekero chirarage Chinsa 10 ayamunaenda mange ninjuko yaretera sore na inda senchera ere yo winge pia muna sogo chora kugendera kurigereria Ndizi TV na bobwansu bwo Gusii koko inyoria bayigona bakondera gutubwate sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito otonyore wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eryo togendere gukumanya manki ngukoneria oburigereri borobuya na boigo omubasoro motereru erietariane Everline Osero orutwa kubwatrana nere kwene kya wikeira sensemo imanyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Auta.